my dear girls and boys of class 10. What we have read? We are going to read what? Unit 4. Reading C. Name of that lesson? Daddy's Enduring Script. This lesson has been finished. And their answer questions also have been told. Understand? Then we have come where? A grammar. I have told you that part of speech, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now, A. Look at the following diagram. Preposition, location and time. Location has divided in two parts, place and movement. In this way, we can say that prepositions are three kinds: time, place, and movement. Understand? There are three kinds of preposition. Time, it means समय सूचक. Movement अर्थात रूपांतर. प्लेस स्थानवाचक. ये तीन तरह के जो है प्रीपोजिशन बताए गए. The boy kept his books on the table. Are you seeing your book? See it carefully. Page number 1 to 4. Understand? The boy kept his books on the table. In this sentence, on is a preposition, and we can say that it is a preposition of place. Understand? Which word is preposition in this sentence? On is a preposition. Second, movement. Look at the example which has been given in your book. The boy is carrying his books to the shelf. Do you know which is the preposition in this sentence? To is a preposition in this sentence. Understand? It is a preposition of movement. The boy has been sneaking since many. It means this sentence is showing here since. This word is preposition in this sentence. Look it carefully. If a sentence shows the tense of present or past perfect continuous, and since word has been come, then we can say that it is a preposition of time. Number B, look at the question number B. Preposition of time. Read the following. Ravi usually get up at 7 o'clock. The train will leave in 5 minutes. Third, I have lived in this city for 10 years. Fourth, we watch TV from 7 to 8 p.m. 5. It has been raining since 10 a.m. 6. My birthday falls on March 12. 7. Let's wait until it stops raining. Number 8. My younger sister fell asleep during the fail. We use at with time. First, at is a preposition. It is showing now time. Understand? Second, in is also a preposition of time. It also shows time. Third, for, preposition of time. Fourth, to, from. From is a preposition of time in this sentence. Fifth, since. Are you making this sentence? I have told you the boy has been studying since Mandarin. Since has been come here and repeat this word again. So we can see that this word since is a preposition of time. Understand? Number 6. My birthday falls on March 12. In this sentence, which word is preposition of time? On. On is a preposition of time. Understand? March 12, it shows here time. Number 7, let's wait until it stops raining. Which is preposition in this sentence? In this sentence, until is a preposition and it is a preposition of time. Last one, my younger sister fell asleep during the spell. In this sentence, which word is preposition? During. Which word is preposition in this sentence? During is a preposition of time. Example, look at 5 o'clock, at 11:45, at midnight, at lunch time. In for younger period of time. In April, in 1986, in winter. In the 9th century, in the 1970, in the mornings, in the afternoons, in the evenings, on with dates and days. These are all showing preposition of time. That's all. This lesson has been finished. इसके जितने भी और भी क्वेश्चंस है बेटा, और इसके जो जैसे ये देखो, fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition of time. देख रहे हो ना? इसको सब कर लेना और ये पार्ट पूर्ण हो गया, समझ जाओ। ये प्रोजेक्ट को छोड़ो, आ जाओ। अब आते हैं अगला पार्ट। क्या है देख रहे हो? यूनिट 5 adventures, reading a Swiss Family Robinson. Understand? We are going to read. What we are going to read? Swiss Family Robinson. है ना? Look at your book carefully. 140. Page number 140. The name of that lesson, Swiss Family Robinson. See the picture and what has been written here. See it carefully. I am reading. For a week, our sheep had been caught in a terrible storm. देखा क्या कहता है ये सेंटेंस? For a week, our sheep had been caught. एक सप्ताह के लिए हमारी जो जहाज है वो टकरा गई। किससे? भयंकर तूफान से टकरा गई। The crew was worn out. और इस प्रकार से जहाज में तबाही मच गई। In the cabin where I prayed with my family. The writer says here, in the family, जो मेरा परिवार, जो उसमें जा रहे थे हम। We feared a cry of land. सब घबरा गए हम लोग और देखने लगे कि भूमि कहाँ पर है। भूमि and felt a sea struck something. जब ये जहाज हमारी किसी से टकराई तो सब फैल, काम रुक गया, आगे बढ़ना बंद हो गया। I rushed in the deck. मैं जहाज के फर्श पर दौड़ा। There I saw a lost boat. मैंने देखा कि आखिरी नाव थी जिस पर ये मेरे जो सब साथी है वो निकल के जा रहे थे, लोडेड विथ सेलर्स, और सब अपने जहाज में जो थे वही उस पर बैठ के जा रहे थे। वेट वेट, आई क्राई, मैंने कहा रुको, ऐसा जोर से चिल्लाया। What of my family? But they rode away and never looked back. इतना मैंने जब चिल्लाया तो कोई मेरी बात को सुने ही नहीं, हैं? But they rode away, चले ही गए, never looked back, किसी ने पीछे देखा नहीं। इस तरह से बेटा ये स्विस में रॉबिन्सन की जो परिवार है जब यात्रा कर रहे थे जहाज से, तो ये घटना उसके ऊपर घटी जिसकी चर्चा राइटर ने आगे किया है। अब शेष जो है अगले पीरियड में पढ़ाऊंगा। ठीक, लिव इट।